I need you guys to check out this exchange that has been around since 2011. And the only reason I'm saying this is because there is a lot of features and there is a lot of benefits. So you definitely do not want to miss out on what we have to talk about today. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so as stated, welcome back, you guys. We got what is known as a BTCC. And as I mentioned, we literally have like the oldest exchange. We're talking about 2011. And there has been no prior issues, especially say with liquidity. There's been no risk management problems. There's been no issues with fraud. Not only that, you guys, but I want you guys to understand we are talking about a fast growing presence in key markets with top 10 liquidity in futures daily volume. And you'll actually see it right here, you guys, that if you click, right, you can actually take a look here, especially whenever it comes to the future. So obviously we got USDT perpetual futures, and we even have coin perpetual futures. All right. Now, why is this important, you guys? Well, they're technically offering a long-term contract with the best commercial structure of any exchange that they work with. Okay. Now, this is actually the only exchange that allows their users to trade not just crypto, but stocks, Forex, and crypto all in one single place. I have not heard of that before. All right, you guys. So something else that's kind of important is that if you actually go up here to register, right, once you actually get yourself started, but I want you guys to understand there is no KYC. They got tokenized US stocks. We're talking about up to 500x, especially with the futures, right? And there's no need for a VPN. I can't tell you how much I really hate, or let's say dislike, using VPNs. So you guys will see right here, unlock 10,055 USDT in welcome reward. So you can actually earn crypto at every step. Okay. We're talking about sign up. We're talking about deposit and trade to claim your rewards. Obviously, terms and conditions. And we got trade anytime, anywhere. So technically you can buy and sell hundreds, you guys. We're talking about 300 plus crypto futures with leverage as high as we mentioned, 500x. Now, I don't think I have seen 500x anywhere before. All right. So you're going to be able to trade all types of contracts. We're talking about perpetual futures. Okay. Which is actually really good. We're talking about tokenized stocks, which is awesome, unheard of, right? And we're talking about your favorite meme coins. Okay. So you can actually use their app. You can use the desktop, whatever you would like. All right. And you guys can see right here, it definitely is a secured platform. So it's trusted by millions. And this has actually been for 13 years. I stated 2011. They're the historical #1 global exchange. And they actually have 24/7, I guess I should say, support. Okay. So we're talking about 24/7, 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, right? So they have the support with the best security in the market. So I like that. I like that. Now you guys will actually see right here, there's a referral code. So what I want you to do is I want you to actually click the link down below in the description. And once you do that, you're going to be able to sign up, but make sure that referral code is there. Okay. So remember, you guys, you can sign up email. We got mobile. That's going to be up to you, right? It's going to be whatever you prefer. Okay. So once again, let's go ahead and exit really quick. I'll give up my bonus. That's what I'm going to click for now. So you guys can actually see right here, referral bonanza, right? Invite a friend and earn up to 2,200 USDT along regular referral perks. So not only can you sign up and get yourself started, you guys, but you can actually do a lot of different things, right? This is actually going on for like a limited amount of time, but you can see all the reward, which is actually really good. So yeah, I'm going to highly recommend that you dive down into this, check them out, seize your next trading opportunity. You can see right here, all the bonuses, new user exclusive, 35 5% commission. We got the spin to win. We got follow them on X. Wow, you can actually earn 10 USDT rewards just for doing that, okay? 30 for registering and verify, right? Identity to receive. That's to verify. But remember, just using it, you don't need KYC, okay? So explore their products. You can see right there, futures, copy trading, which is actually really good. And if you go up here to the very top, they got deposit, fiat, P2P, crypto deposit, convert, markets. We got the futures again. We got the copy, we got the spot, and we got the benefits, right? Exclusive to new users, VIP programs, which are really good. So other than that, you guys, big opportunity here with BTCC. So if you guys will, please let me know, what did you think about that? What do you guys think about this exchange? Me personally, I like it. I like it a lot. Do you? Leave us in the comments down below. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and check out the links I stated in the description.